This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System, which is taking place at English Achievers. The candidate name is Masuma. The candidate number is 5651. The examiner name is Sabrina Masuma. The examiner number is EA1007. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. May I know your full name, please?
My full name is Masuma. You may
Mhm.
address me Masuma.
Well, Masuma, can I see your identification, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Yeah. So, Masuma, where are you from?
I'm originally from Bulagan, but I'm residing in Sylhet, which is northeastern part of Bangladesh, and it's known for tea garden, and it's
Okay.
also known for natural beauty.
Okay. Do you work or are you a student?
Actually, I'm a full-time student.
Mhm.
Recently, I'm completed HSC in the Department of Humanities from the Sylhet Government Women's College. Now, I am preparing myself for going to abroad to complete my higher education.
Well, now I'm going to ask you some of your personal questions about yourself in part one. Let's talk about teachers. Do you want to be a teacher in the future?
No, I want to be a teacher in the future, but I admire teacher, and now I'm going to abroad for my higher education.
Do you have a teacher from your past that you still remember?
Obviously, I remember my high school teacher. Who is always inspired me my studies and bright future.
Are you still in contact with your these high school or primary school teachers?
To be honest, I don't contact all the time. But 2 months ago, when I needed my SSC certificate, that time I called him, and he helped.
Okay. Do you have any favorite teacher?
Yeah. In my entire life, I meted so many teachers, but
Mhm.
I personally prefer my primary school teacher. His name is Abdul Latif, and he is always inspired my studies.
Well, let's talk about bikes. Did you ride a bike when you were little?
When I was young, I rode a bike. It was very funny for me.
Do you have any bike now?
To be honest, I don't have a bike, but I enjoy it when I'm on the back of a bike with my brother.
Let's talk about transport. What are the advantages of using public transport?
Well, there are lots of public transportation available in our country. Public transportation is most effective, reduce traffic condition. It's also better for environment compared to driving car.
Okay. Do most young people prefer to take public transport?
Obviously, people prefer to public transport because it's convenient and more affordable rather than car. I also prefer a public transport when I want to go my college.
Which means of transportation is expensive?
In my perspective, airplanes and car is more expensive transport because it's involve high cost and ticket prices.
Thank you so much. That is in the first speaking part one. Now we are moving to part two. So in this part two, I would like to ask you a cue card, and for this cue card, I'm going to provide you a piece of paper and pen for making some notes. So here is a piece of paper, and here is your pen. Listen very carefully. You will have in total 2 or 3 minutes. So in this 2 or 3 minutes, you will have 1 minute for making some notes and 1 or 2 minutes for speaking. Do you understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So your today's topic is describe a place you have been to and you'd like to recommend others to live there, not your hometown. You should say where is it, what the place is like, where you visited there, who you want there with, and explain why you would recommend this place to others. Do you understand?
Okay.
So here is your today's topic. You can start your note making now. Have you done? Okay. Don't need to worry about your time if I stop you. So you can start your speaking now.
Now I would like to talk about a place I have been to and I would like to recommend others to live there. Um, there are lots of beautiful places in our country. Some beautiful places are beautiful because of there are historical buildings. Some are beautiful for natural beauty. But I prefer to Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, and it's most popular city in the country, and it's a beautiful and clean country. I have visited to Dhaka at many times. His grandfather lives there, and I normally visited with my whole family, my parents, my sister, and my brother. And it's there are lots of educational system available in the Dhaka city, and public university and private university is available. Especially Dhaka University is the number one university in Bangladesh. And there are also shopping malls such as Bosundara Shopping Mall, Gulshan, and Jamuna Future Park. And I also mentioned that the beautiful place such as Assam Monjil, Lalbagh Fort, the National Zoo, and so on. Whenever I get free time, I try to go with my family for meet my grandfather
Thank you
because
so much. Can I have your piece of paper and question start, please? Thank you. So you have been talking about our tutor. Now I would like you to ask you some follow-up questions related to part 2. Why do many people choose to move big cities?
I would say that people there are two main reasons in people move to big cities. Firstly, it is easier to find high jobs in big cities. Secondly, big cities offer good education, medical facilities, and so on, rather than village or town.
Okay. Compared to towns and villages, what factors make a city livable?
There are many factors. Uh, if I had a name a few, I would say affordable housing and good transportation and quality healthcare and education system. Apart from that, I would say clean environment is very
Thank you.
good.
What kinds of places do people in your country prefer to live in?
I think people prefer to live in a place which is uh, mm, easy for medical facilities, good education, and shopping mall available. And they also prefer to live in a quiet place from the main highway road.
Okay. What should people prepare before they move to different areas?
I think they should first research to suitable in the city, and they should learn to this city culture, and finally they should make a list new things.
Thank you. That is the end of our speaking test today. Thank you so much.